Hi guys, it's Ilene here and welcome to my channel. Today I have another jewelry DIY. I'm going to show you how to make bohemian styled earrings. This is using my Dollar Tree feathers and it is going to be so much fun. This is really simple and I want to show you guys how easy it is. So if you like videos like this, please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. All the supplies for this project I will link down below in the description box. So let's get into this. For this project, you'll need these feathers or any kind of feathers. I picked up these from the Dollar Tree. You'll need wire, which I picked up this wire from the Dollar Tree and I have used this wire for jewelry before and it works excellent. 2 crimp beads. You also need 2 of these cone findings. And you'll need 2 jump rings. I keep mine in this Dollar Tree pill case. It's so easy to keep the sizes together. And I'm going to use these tiny ones. A variety of beads I'm using that I have on hand. If you don't have beads, they sell them at the Dollar Tree as well. Everything I'm using as far as the beads are things that I've had on hand. Here is a broken earring that I saved, and now I'm just going to remove these crystals because I'm going to use these on the end. I decided to use 2 purple and 1 green feather for each earring. To make the strands of beads, you're gonna first put the crystal on the end. You're gonna keep it on your bead stringing wire. This is more like string, a coated string wire. And so the crystal you're gonna dangle from the end and then you're gonna place your beads on. And your beads are going to go through 2 strands of the wire. The stringing wire, not the hard wire. So I've strung my crystal and my beads onto this stringing wire, and now I'm going to put my crimp bead on. After your beads are done, you're going to first put on a crimp bead and then your jump ring. And then you're going to feed your tails through the crimp bead and through 2 beads. Then you're going to pull your tails real tight and you're going to crimp your crimp bead and trim your tails. This part is a little much. It is a little hard and frustrating at times. You can, if you're a beginner, skip the bead part and just do the feather part if you're afraid of this part. Or you can always give it a try. You never know. Maybe it's not hard for you. So now I have my 2 beads all done. For the feathers, it just makes it a little bit easier if you just use a dab of your hot glue just to line them up and then be in place stationary before you start wrapping the wire around it. Now I put a dab of hot glue on my crimp bead on the bottom just to keep this in place. So now I can insert my stiff wire through this jump ring. You're gonna leave some up here because that's where you're going to attach your cone. And the rest, so you're gonna hold this tight, and then the rest you're going to wire wrap all around the feathers. Once you secure your feathers with your bead, you're just going to trim off the ends of one because the other end you're still going to be leaving sticking out. You may have to trim off some little fuzzy spots of your feather if they're in the way. I don't have any aerosol spray, so I'm going to use a little spritz of hairspray. on the end of my feather just to keep it stiff and not flying around. Then we're going to put our cone at the top. And we're gonna pull that real tight. So now the cone is on, and what you're gonna do is, using your needle nose pliers, you're gonna make a loop here to attach your earring. So you're just gonna make a simple one loop around. It's gonna look something like that. And then you're gonna just trim off your excess. Just finish shaping up your loop. Now that your loop is done, the final step is to simply attach your earring to the top here. At the bottom of your earring, you're just gonna slightly open up this loop here. And then you're gonna slip this in, tighten it up. And you have an adorable feather bohemian earring. So here are the earrings. They're so adorable, these bohemian style feathered earrings. These were so fun and adorable to make. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and if you did, I hope you give it a great big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!